Hello, welcome to Academic School. Are you looking to create an engaging and well-structured project plan for your students? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Introducing the Project-Based Learning Activity Planner, PBL Activity Planner. It's an AI-powered tool that helps you design a full project plan based on the principles of PBL, right? The Project-Based Learning. To access this tool, you have to click on this tool named the PBL Activity Planner, right? Now, once you click on it, you have to give it some commands like the year level. So my students are in 8th grade. About the topic is environment sustainability. All right. Any additional details? Yes, I want the project to talk about how to encourage and incorporate sustainable practices in our daily life. In our daily lives, right? That's what I want the projects to specifically talk about. Standard set to align, that's optional, but it's good that if it's, aligned with CBSE. That is it. Now I have clicked on generate, and within seconds we will get a comprehensive, detailed project-based learning activity planner, right? It will be, we can share it with our students. That will guide our students through the enriching, fantastic learning experience, right? And here we are. I hope you can see that it has given the project overview, its objectives, standard alignment, duration, and the phases of the project. Week 1, week 2, week 3 to week 6. Isn't it just super fantastic? Right? Great. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Try this fantastic tool named PBL Activity Planner tool today at Academic School and take your teaching to next level with dynamic real world projects. Happy teaching.